Got a new smartwatch? Pairing it with your phone is the first step to unlocking all its features. In this video, I'll show you how to pair your Garmin Vivoactive 4 quickly and easily. Download the Garmin Connect app from the App Gallery, Google Play Store or App Store, and install it. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Turn on your Garmin Vivoactive 4 by pressing and holding the side button. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. When the watch powers on for the first time, it will automatically enter pairing mode. Select your preferred language, then tap the checkmark on the screen to start pairing. Open the Garmin Connect app and create or sign in to your account. Follow the on-screen instructions in the app to complete setup and enter your information. Tap More, then select Garmin Devices, followed by Add Device. The app will start searching for your device. When it recognizes your watch, tap Connect It, enter the code shown on your watch, and tap Pair to connect with your watch successfully. Once you've successfully paired your device, it will automatically sync with your watch. This allows you to access all features, including activity tracking, health stats, notifications, and more. Any changes made in the app will reflect on your watch instantly, keeping everything up to date. That's all it takes to pair your Garmin Vivoactive 4. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.